Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I have a really good video for you guys. It is a kitchen clean and decorate with me. Now if you missed my last video, it was a farmhouse redecorate my living room type thing. I will leave that in the cards above. If you did not see that, please go ahead and watch that after you watch this one. But today I'm going to be doing my kitchen. I'm going to be doing a quick clean, and then I'm going to start doing some redecorating. You guys know I've been wanting to do this for a long time all throughout the house, and I'm slowly but surely getting all of that done. But today's video is another super special one to me, and I will tell you guys more about that in just one second. So I'm so super excited to let you guys know that today's video is in collaboration with my good friend Cass. She is like the girl next door. She is the sweetest thing ever. And if you guys like videos on cleaning, decorating, hauls, vlogs, home DIYs, and projects, then you definitely need to go and check out her channel. Please go and watch her video as soon as you get done watching mine. Make sure you subscribe, show her some love, leave her a comment, let her know that I sent you. You will not be disappointed. She does some of the most amazing redecorating, and she is one of the people here on YouTube that I get most of my inspiration from. So I wanted to start by showing you that I picked up a new valance and runner for the table in the kitchen, and I went ahead and threw that stuff in the washer. That way it could be done by the time I finished cleaning. Also, I picked up this order here sign, but I did not like this orangey yellow lining that it had. So I just grabbed a Sharpie and went over top of it, and it actually looks pretty good. I'm very surprised with how it looks, but it was only $8, and I figured if I messed it up, it was only $8, but it actually did turn out really good, like I said. And I got this to go over top of my oven, and I've got a star there now, but I knew I wanted to put that on the wall, and it also needed to be spray painted. So I took the star outside and I spray painted that, and I wanted to get all of this stuff done so it would be ready and I could go ahead and start decorating after I got finished cleaning.
Watch me under the light, so keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night. You can call it what you want, I got something else in mind. Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make it worth my time. So don't you pay them
So I just wanted to quickly hop on and say, if you're coming over from Cass's channel, welcome. My name is Mandy and I'm so excited that you came over today. Thank you for coming to watch today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe before you go. Here on my channel, I do a lot of cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. I also do a little bit of decor, but not that much. I'm not that good at it, but I absolutely love to do it. I have two grown boys. They are 21 and 22. They have actually moved out and are on their own now, and I live here in Virginia with my boyfriend, and we have a 2-year-old lab named Bodie, and he pretty much runs the house, and you will see that in most every video. But if this is your first time here today, welcome. Thank you so much for coming. I would love for you to introduce yourself to me in the comments below. That way I can say hi and personally introduce myself. I really like to get to know you guys. But I'm going to go ahead and get back to cleaning, and I will be right back to talk about all the new decor.
I'll walk across the room just to show you that I'm still around. Ask if you wanna meet somewhere later when the sun goes down. Oh, you know I'm serious. I'm serious. I will keep you all to myself. Oh, you're so mysterious, mysterious. I can't keep my hands to myself.
right, you guys, I don't know if you could tell, but I am the queen of eyeballing anything. I rarely ever get a level out, but it always works out pretty good. So the first piece that I put on the wall with the bowls and the star, it actually says Texas on there. That was given to me as a gift, and also the wood piece on the right that I'm working on right now, that was also given to me as a gift. If you've been around for a while, you know Fred. That came from Fred, so everybody say thank you, Fred. It looks so good there. It's such a big wall, and I knew I needed some major pieces on there, and this worked out perfect. And the home sign, I bought that at Michael's as well. Like I said, everything there is 50% off, so if you're looking for anything, make sure you go and check there first. And that star is the one that came from over top of my oven, and I just spray painted it. And I also grabbed another bunch of that greenery that I had in the living room, and again, Michael's on sale. And the little bee blessed sign, that came from Big Lots. You guys, don't be sleeping on Big Lots because they've got some really good stuff too. I also got the rooster from there as well. So after I got everything done on the wall, I went ahead and cleaned the table off and put the new runner on. And then I started to work on the centerpiece, and I kind of got fed up with it because it just wasn't looking right. So after I messed with that for a little bit, you'll see that I moved on to the next project, and it's probably one of my favorite additions to the room. So make sure you let me know in the comments below what you think, and it's going to be the next thing coming up. So I'm super excited for you guys to see it.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head, you're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire.
Okay, so now I'm just going to hang this little rack here by the back door. I wanted to have something that we could put keys and Bodhi's leash and all that stuff so it was off of the table. But what did you guys think about the little welcome bell? I thought it was the cutest thing I've ever seen, and I liked putting it right there. That way you could see it from the kitchen and the living room. It's just a cute little piece and I love the way it looks right there. So now I'm just going to go ahead and move on over to the tier tray. I'm not as good at these as I wish I was. You would think that as long as I've been watching Cass, I would know what I was doing, but I don't. I have really a handful of girls that are my really good close friends here, and they always do amazing tier trays. Amanda, Dawn, Christine, all of them really have a knack for this, but I don't. I'm always texting them pictures and asking them their thoughts, and they're always good to help me out. But I did find some really cute pieces. These little glass milk jars I found at Michael's, of course. And they just added such a cute little dimension to it. And my little ivy plant right there, she's having a hard time right now. So I'm going to actually move her to the front room in the spare bedroom. That way she can get more sun. And I decided not to put her there, but I think I know that I need some greenery there. I think Christine actually said I needed some sort of little green piece there, and she's exactly right. But I'm going to try to find something to make it look a lot better. But I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys how everything turned out. This little welcome bell, it actually came from Michael's as well, and I think it was only $7 and some change, but I think it's the sweetest little addition. You guys will have to let me know what you think. And this is how the centerpiece ended up coming out. The little bird there with the flowers was actually a Mother's Day gift from my mom. Having already done the living room and the way that the living room and the kitchen open up to each other, it looks so much better, and it just kind of cohesively looks all the same, and you get a really good feel when you walk through the house. I've always wanted to do something different to this wall, and I knew that I was going to need some big pieces to pull it off, and I think this just really came together nicely. I had a vision in my head, and it kind of looked a little bit better than this, but I'm really pleased with how this turned out. Again, there is that one little space there, and there's actually another photo that matches the home, and it says something about family, but it's a rectangular size, and I think that would look really cute there. I'll probably go back and get it, so stay tuned. Maybe in a future video that will be there. But this is how the tier stand turned out, and I think it looks good. Like I said, I just wanted to grab something green to kind of fill up those spaces on the top and on the bottom, but I am just obsessed with that little glass milk jug and the little jar. They're so cute, and I paid, I think, $1 and $2 for those. So definitely go check out your Michaels. They've got a lot of stuff on sale right now. And I actually ended up finding this little pedestal, and I wanted to use it to set my Alexa on. I know it doesn't fit, so if you have any suggestions, let me know. I also thought about spray painting it either black or white, so let me know what you think about that. The order here sign looks perfect over top of the stove. I'm so glad that I took the Sharpie to it because that orange was just not going to match any of it. But besides for a couple more pieces that I want to go ahead and get to fill out the tier stand and also the spot on the wall, I think everything came together really nice, and I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. So fingers crossed, the next room that I can move on to is going to be the bedroom. Alright, you guys, that is all that I have for you today in this video. I think I'm going to look for maybe something to put right here. If you have any suggestions, let me know. But I just think I need something right there. I just don't know what yet. But I had so much fun doing this. I'm so excited that I actually got all of this stuff done. I think it looks really good. I think the longer that I look at it, I might need to tweak a thing here or there. I'm not sure, but thank you so much for coming by and watching today's video. Don't forget to go and check out Cass's video. Subscribe to her channel. Let her know that I sent you. Also, if you're coming from Cass's channel, welcome. Thank you so much for coming by. I really appreciate it. I hope you consider subscribing before you go. I would love to have you be a part of my YouTube family. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. And as always, I love you and I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution.